Hey guys, I am Arhan here and welcome back to another video. Today we are making this dish called marak. For this dish you will need 3 onions chopped into large pieces, 8 green chilies, some coriander, some mint leaves and 10 pieces of garlic, 3 cardamoms, 2 badi elaichis, 5 cloves, a tail black pepper, normal black pepper, 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 bay leaves and some almonds and cashews and pistas too. And lastly, your juicy mutton. At high heat in your pressure cooker, add 2 spoons of ghee. While the ghee is melting, add in your chopped onions. Fry them until they are nice and crispy brown and then add some ginger garlic paste. Mix them well and then add your spices in. Keep mixing for some time and then add your juicy mutton. Look how juicy it is. Keep mixing every once in a while. Add some salt for taste. Now add 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Now grind your green chilies, garlic and leaf vegetables into a fine paste. After grinding, add some water to make the consistency as shown and then add your mixture into the marak. Now close your lid and wait for about 10 whistles to pass by, and while that is happening, you can go ahead and grind your almonds and cashews. After the whistles, go ahead and transfer your marak into another pot and don't forget to add your cashews and etc. And also add some water too. Keep mixing your marak every 2 minutes. Marak goes well with some delicious rotis too. And there you go, your marak is ready. Now don't forget to like and subscribe and comment the next recipe you want. See you guys next time.